So I just wanted to talk about why I said yes to the apron. So I joined back in March of 2022, and my why then was because I figured let's give it a try. I already use the products. I love to cook, you know. So why not try? And I tried, and I succeeded. And I've had my ups and downs, but as time went on in the past year and a half, my why has changed. My why now is to help my family and just supplement some income so we can enjoy stuff and go on vacation and just make sure that we live a little bit more comfortably. So for till the end of July, I have two 25% off coupons. So if you would like to say yes to the apron, comment below. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will hook you up with 25% off. So that makes the basic, the first starter kit, the stoneware kit, $37.50. So there are other kits, they go up in price, but again, I have 25% off the kit. So if this is something you were thinking about trying, but you weren't sure, you're on the fence, now is the time because you can do it for a lot less. So comment below, message me, and I hope you say yes to the apron because I'm happy I did.